Can you imagine a pilot flying the airplane tapos hindi niya
Hindi
tinitignan?
gumagana yung mga instruments. Pag ganun, talagang wala kang magagawa.
It's the same thing in business.
Kasi wala silang visibility, wala
Wala
silang
eh.
data, hindi nila alam. So,
If you don't have a good product and you lack the means to monitor what's happening
mhm.
to your sales and to your expenses, you lack the means, how can you manage, di ba? Hindi porke umaakit ang sales mo, malaki kita mo. Posible na push ka ng sales. Yung pala, kaka-push mo, lalo lumalaki yung lugi mo. Not every story is about success. Most of the time, it's about struggle. Hi, I'm Bonnie De Jesus, and this is Kapayaman Story, where we talk about the real journey of entrepreneurs and dreamers who went through challenges, failures, and faith-testing moments. Pero hindi sumuko. Dito, hindi puro success. We'll dive into the why, the how, and the faith behind every comeback. True wealth isn't just about money. It's about purpose, growth, and trusting God through the process. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning po. Thank you for having me.
So glad to have you here. It's
Yes.
nice studio.
Oo nga, ganda.
Yeah, nice day.
Sana mga pogi tayo
Yeah.
sa video.
For the sake of our audience,
Yes.
I'm very so interested in
Uh-huh.
knowing more about you.
Mhm, mhm.
You know, who you are, what do you do?
Yes po. Yes, so sure. I'm Eric Calugdan. So I have my own IT business. We are a software development company. So we develop mga custom web applications. Pero yung talagang mainstay na service namin is yung SMS API. So we provide SMS services for bulk messaging, ginagamit for OTPs or mga billing reminders or notifications na automated. And ako, I also do IT consulting. So I'm an IT consultant for several companies. Lalo yung mga SMEs na walang IT department. So parang ako yung outsourced IT department nila. So for any IT requirement nila like mga CRM, inventory system, yun yung ginagawa namin para sa kanila. And I'm also the president of our fellowship sa church ng mga businessmen. So I help entrepreneurs in their journey as well. And meron din tayong podcast na parang ganito rin po.
Wow, podcast.
With BTG, Better Than Good.
Better than good.
Yes. Ang program is Ask Kuya E. Yeah.
Wow. I like your family name, Calugdan.
Yes.
Very
Calugdan.
Filipino. Di ba?
Yes.
Calugdan.
Calugdan means to be pleased with.
Oh.
No? In fact, na-mention din po siya sa Catholic Church. Nasa script ng pari yun, mga 2 or 3 beses na may mention niyang kalugdan. Like, kalugdan nawa tayo ng Diyos na may God be pleased with us. Parang ganun.
May be pleased with us.
Yes.
Yung pala ibig sabihin nun. Ano?
Yes, yun po ibig sabihin ng kalugdan.
Mabalik tayo doon sa sinabi mo about yung IT
Yes.
business that you're running now. No? For the sake of our audience,
Mhm.
pagka narinig natin yung mga terminology na SMS, mga ganyan,
Yes, yes.
karamihan nagno-nosebleed. No?
Okay.
Alam namin kung i-describe in terms of uses,
Mhm.
pero yung what they are in terms of product, no?
Mhm.
Medyo nosebleed, no?
Yes.
Alam ko yung
Yeah.
mga IT, no?
Opo,
Are
opo.
so good in those terms, no?
Uh-huh.
Pero what exactly are the uses of this
SMS services.
SMS,
Yeah.
softwares?
Yes.
Ano ba yung nagagawa niya?
Okay. So, una yung sa SMS po. SMS, yung pinaka-common term is text messaging. No? Yung ginagamit natin pang text na kahit walang internet connection, kaya natin mag-send and receive ng text messages. Nag-start kami actually 2001.
Kahit
no?
walang internet
Kahit
connection?
walang internet connection. Pwede pong mag-send and receive ng mga messages. Yun yung niche niya, yung advantage niya versus yung mga Messenger, Viber. Kasi kailangan may internet yun eh.
Yeah.
Kapag wala kang internet or masyadong mahina yung signal for internet, yung base talaga na messaging technology is SMS or
Ibig
text
sabihin
messaging.
sa mga probinsya, no?
Yes.
Kahit walang internet o
Yes.
mahina yung internet, mabagal,
Yes.
no?
Pwede po siyang gamitin.
Pwede yan.
Yes.
Naku, napaka-importante yan, ano? Halimbawa, may mga fleet of delivery trucks ka,
Yes.
kinakailangan mo ng connection, kinakailangan mo
Yes.
ng communication,
Yun yung
o
pwedeng
marami
gamitin.
kang branch, no?
Yes.
And somehow, ang mga businessmen, yan ang isang challenge, no?
Yes.
Yung communication is very important. No?
Correct.
And you have mentioned the software for inventory, mga ganyan,
Yes, sir.
Napakahalaga niyan,
Yes, sir.
napakahalaga. Pero alam mo ang problema ko diyan, minsan napakahirap maintindihan, Lalo
Mhm.
na kung galing sa abroad yung
Mhm.
'no,
Yung mga off
yung
the shelf.
apps or
Opo,
softwares
opo.
off the shelf.
Yes.
Anong difference ng ginagawa ninyo?
Yung difference ng ginagawa po namin, pinag-aaralan muna namin yung process, yung current process ng
Ibig
isang
sabihin,
business.
yung mismong process ng business pinag-aaralan ninyo?
Yes, opo. So, nagsa-suggest din kami na baka ito puwedeng i-skip na step or ito yung mas mabilis na option. And then once mapag-agreehan namin yung process, ngayon na ginagawa nila for example na manually, saka namin ginagawa ng automation ng
Ayun.
mga sistema para mas mabilis, 'no? Yung advantage naman kasi kapag may system ka is one, lalo kapag online siya, nasa
Oo,
cloud or nasa internet yung
oo.
system, visible siya sa lahat ng departments, lalo sa
I see.
executives. So, nakikita ng mga executives ano ba yung nangyayari sa ground. So, challenge siya lalo kapag medyo malaki yung company. So, yun yung advantage po ng system and yung pagpasa nung one approval to the other, mas madali
Ayun,
yung
kahit na
flow.
cellphone lang
Kahit
nagagawa
cellphone
nila.
lang, pwede silang mag-approve kahit nasa beach sila makikita nila, merong for approval, yun puwede nila i-approve sa
Amazing
phone nila. Yes.
Connectivity is so important,
Yes, sir.
Lalo na kung naggo-grow yung company. Alam mo,
Correct.
Eric, ang napansin ko, siyempre naggo-grow yung company, medyo kinakailangan ayusin yung sistema. Hindi
Yes.
puwedeng mano-mano,
Correct.
Pero ito nagiging problema, kukuha ng software, tapos hindi babagay doon
Mhm.
sa operation niya.
Yes, sir.
Hindi siya
Match.
nagma-match,
Correct, correct,
So nasasayang,
correct.
Or kailangan lang niyang ng coaching palagi,
Yeah,
Because in the first place, hindi na siya nag-match,
correct.
So what you're saying is, pinag-aaralan mo mismo yung
Yung
proseso ng
process,
kumpanya.
yes. Yung process ng company. Kasi una, kailangan maganda, maayos yung process ng company.
Mhm.
And then we adapt yung technology, yung automation dun sa process nila para yung learning curve na
Mhm.
tinatawag na baka hindi nila masyadong magets, masyadong complicated, hindi nila ma-apply. And
Correct.
for me, yung success talaga sa isang technology or automation is ginagamit ba siya?
Ginagamit ba?
Yun yung question eh. Kasi ang daming nagagawa ng mga systems na hindi nagagamit. So yung
Correct.
30 years na experience namin sa paggawa ng mga automation, yun yung secret na kailangan alam mo kung ano yung process nila and then siguro pwede kang mag-tweak konti lang para may adoption na gagamitin talaga ng mga users yung system. And yung mga off-the-shelf kasi, ang problema dun, yung system, pinipilit yung company na mag-change papunta
Correct.
dun sa
Hindi nga
system
tama
na
na
hindi
yung system
nagfi-fit.
ang mag-change ng company.
Yes,
Nag-evolve na nga yung company into what it is now,
correct, correct.
So it needs something na custom-made for itself,
Correct, correct. Marami po kaming mga ganyang clients, 'no. Yung isa is, driving range, yung golf driving range. Kasi iba talaga siya, hindi siya common na business. Meron kaming, parang mga private nurse na nag-a-allocate sa iba-ibang hospitals or sa iba-ibang mga VIP patients.
Oh,
So, yung app para dun, hindi mo siya makukuha off the shelf.
correct.
It's based on their process and then we build yung automation para dun.
Halimbawa, you have,
Mhm.
franchising,
Yes.
And then you have multiple,
Locations.
locations of franchises,
Yes. Yes.
Puwede
So,
'yan?
puwede po. Yun po yung
Mamo-monitor mo yung
ginagawa
sales
natin.
nila?
Yes, and in
Wow.
real time.
In real
In
time?
real time, yes.
Nakatingin ka na lang sa
Manonood ka na lang na
oo,
tumataas or bumababa yung
and that's
figures.
very important,
Yes, yes.
Yung nakikita mo yung data
In real time.
in real time.
Yes, yes. Kasi merong mga solutions din kaso after 1 week mo pa makikita yung result.
Oo,
And
oo.
lalo kapag nagra-run po ng mga ads, yung mga marketing, kailangan nakikita mo agad yung connect nung ads na nilabas mo tsaka kung nakakabenta ba siya, kung
Wow!
nag-output ba siya. So, kailangan ma-link yung dalawang yun
Kailangan
para
ma-link mo,
para
otherwise,
makita.
you're actually operating blindly. Na
Yes,
hindi mo alam ang effect sa bottom line mo.
correct.
Bira ka ng bira,
Oo.
thinking na effective yung ginagawa mo.
Correct, correct. Tama po.
Pagdating ng report, or sometimes walang report, 'di ba?
Sometimes wala. Yeah. So, yun
Bigla
yung
na lang
isang
pumutok
challenge.
yung cash flow.
Yung isa rin pong challenge na nangyari ngayon kasi yung sa Facebook, for example, 'pag
Mm.
nag-ads ka sa Facebook, yung AI nila medyo magaling na talaga siyang mag-distribute ng ads.
Oh,
So, nadi-distribute niya sa tamang audience yung ads.
I see.
So, ang daming mga nag-i-inquire na mga clients na, about the product or about the service. Pero yung challenge ngayon ng mga clients is hindi nila kayang sagutin lahat ng mga inquiries. So kami, yun yung ginawa naman naming solution. So meron kami ngayong AI chat agent na
Oo.
pwedeng sumagot 24/7 kahit mahigit 1,000 inquiries a day and in any language. Pwedeng English, Tagalog, Cebuano, or
Yeah.
what have you. So yun yung automation na pino-provide din namin sa mga SMEs.
Wow, ang
Instead
galing,
na
ah.
madami kang mga staff na kailangan sumagot, no, na
Oo.
puyat, pwedeng AI yung
Wow.
sumagot.
You know guys, ito yung talagang napakahalaga, ano? This is the age of technology, no? We know what Facebook ad can do to your business. Whether lumipad yung business mo o lalong
Yeah.
bumagsak.
Yes,
And
yes.
data is very important.
Correct, correct.
And if you will only get the data 1 month after nilabas mo yung ad or nag-spend ka ng katakot-takot,
Yes.
tapos after 1 month mo pala makikita yung
Too
effect
late.
nun, it's
Yeah.
too late.
Too late na.
Ang
Correct.
sinasabi mo is in real time,
Yes.
nakikita mo yung effect ng ad.
Yes.
Grabe,
Kung
ano?
tumutuloy ba siya to a booking or tumutuloy ba siya to a purchase ng
Mm.
product. And also, yun nga, sa Messenger, yung mga customers na hindi nakakuha ng reply in more than 1 minute, naghahanap na ng iba. So,
Correct.
very important na talagang
Oo.
pag may nag-inquire, masagot sila agad.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
And I have seen it happen, ano, na bira ng bira, ad ng
Yes.
ad, nabo-bloat yung operating expense.
Oo.
And then, because they don't know the numbers that they
Yeah.
have and very poor reporting,
Yes,
no?
yes.
Lumalabas lugi.
Correct.
Di ba?
So, dun po kami tumutulong na alam nila na itong effort na ginagawa nila, ito yung output. So, kung kailangan nilang i-adjust yung effort para mas maganda yung output,
Yeah.
yung visibility na yun yung pino-provide po namin sa mga company.
This is very important for SMEs, ha?
Yes.
Kasi ang totoo niyan, technology is very important,
Mhm.
no? Nowadays, because the playing field has been leveled.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Yes, yes.
During my time, TV,
Oo.
tatayo pa nga kami, di ba?
Yun yung
Click namin.
tri-media, TV, radio, print.
Sino nakaka-advertise? Yung malalaking
Yung
kumpanya
malalaki
lang,
lang.
di ba?
Correct, correct.
Wala tayong laban doon.
Correct.
Pero ngayon, Facebook eh.
Yes. Level
Ibig sabihin,
talaga.
level playing field, no?
Correct.
It has been democratized.
Mhm.
Anyone who has a content, anyone who has a good product
Mhm.
can actually compete in that
Yes.
market.
Correct.
Right?
Tama po.
Kaya ang daming lumalabas na SMEs, no?
Yes.
Ngayon itong problema. Sa lakas ng competition, you got to have a firm grasp of your performance.
Mhm.
Sales,
Mhm.
advertising, operating expense,
Mhm.
etc. You got to have a good accounting system. Pero negosyante ka eh, di ba?
Mhm.
Ang dami mong inaasikaso, di ba?
Correct.
Aasikasuhin mo pa ba yun, ano?
Aha.
Where do you come in do sa ganung parte?
Yes. So, dun kami pumapasok naman sa, management ng mga finances na yung mga costs, expenses, and yung mga sales and income, pwede rin nating i-automate din po yun.
Pwede
Para mas
yan.
mabilis
Okay.
yung generation ng mga reports, yung mga
Oo.
financial statements, yung mga ganon, para mas mabilis.
Naku, kinakailangan natin yan. Kasi ang dami, alam mo ito na realize ko eh. Hindi porke umaakit ang sales mo, malaki kita mo.
Correct. Posible na mas malaki pa yung ginastos mo sa ads.
Posible na push ka ng push ng sales. Yung pala, kaka-push mo, lalo lumalaki yung lugi mo.
Correct.
Right?
Opo, tama po.
So,
Tama.
napaka-importante nung ginagawa ninyo.
Mhm.
Minsan, it's either a lack of awareness
Mhm.
na may ganun na, or it's like doing the same thing over and over again,
Mhm.
hoping that it will work.
Yeah.
But times have changed, di ba?
Correct, correct.
The environment has become very competitive nowadays, no?
Yes.
Because everybody can sell, let's face it.
Aha.
Ganun na ang labanan ngayon. Now, if you don't have a good product and you lack the means to monitor what's happening
Mhm.
to your sales and to your expenses, you lack the means, how can you manage, di ba?
Correct, correct.
Oo.
Yeah. So, very important talaga na visible ka. Ang isang challenge din kasi sa mga businesses na nakakausap ko, gusto nilang something to change or ano yung gusto nilang gawin, pero hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. Kasi
Hindi
wala silang visibility, wala silang
eh.
data, hindi nila
Oo.
alam. So, pag ganun, talagang wala kang magagawa.
Wala kang magagawa. Sabi ko nga,
Oo.
sabi ko nga para bang, di ba sa eroplano, ang daming instruments.
Yes,
Yan, sa harapan mo,
yes.
no?
Correct, correct, correct.
Can you imagine a pilot flying the airplane tapos hindi niya
Hindi
tinitignan?
gumagana yung mga instruments.
It's a big
Mahirap
risk,
yun.
no? Ang dami niyang
Correct.
pasahero, ano?
Correct, correct.
So, it's the same thing in business, no?
Correct,
Because
correct.
if you're running a business na gusto mong palakihin, the
Yes.
danger is the bigger it is, the more efficient your management should be because
Correct.
you're dealing with big numbers already. No?
Yes.
Isang mali, no? Ang laki ng
Mhm.
effect sa bottom line.
Mhm.
So, gagawin mo ngayon is you got to have understanding of your financial statements, your data,
Yes.
what's happening to your sales, no? Kung
Correct.
ginawa ko ito, ano effect ito sa sales.
Yes.
And this is where you come in, no?
Correct. Yung na-mention niyo, sir, yung sa pilot, no? Meron din kaming parang version nun sa system. Ang tawag namin dashboard. So,
Ayun,
doon sa
oo.
dashboard, may mga graphs, makikita niyo yung top 10 or yung last 10. So, let's say, marami kang mga branches. Makikita mo doon sino yung branches na malalakas at
Oo.
sino yung mga branches na may hina. So,
Wow.
kapag ganun, kunin mo ano yung best practice nung malakas na branch at i-apply doon sa
Ayun.
mababang
Guys,
branch,
narinig
di ba?
nyo, no?
So, at least yun, alam mo na anong gagawin.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi you're no longer operating blindly.
Correct,
You
correct.
actually spotting more opportunities to grow your efficiency inside your
Yes.
business
Yes.
if you know the data.
Yes. And
No?
in fact, hanggang ano yun, hour levels, as in per hour. So, makikita din dun sa dashboard na mahina ka, let's say, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Yes, yes.
So, pwede ka magpa-promo na from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., it's less 20% or less
Wow. Oo nga,
30%.
no?
So,
Oo.
yung mga ganong information, ganong data, makikita mo lang kapag may system. May
May system,
dashboard,
oo.
no, na pwede kang, yun nga, pwede ka pala magpa-promo para mag-average out yung
Oo.
efficiency ng business.
Guys, yun ang sinasabi natin, ano, na pag lumalaki yung business mo, make sure na kayang i-handle ng systems mo
Yung
yung bigger
volume.
volume.
Yes.
Di ba? Hindi lang systems, organization, cash
Yes.
flow, no? You have to monitor all of those, no? So, napakahalaga nung mga ginagawa ninyo, no?
Correct.
And I guess, no, this is a time where you cannot do without those things,
Correct.
right? Kasi if you do it manually, it's gonna take your time.
Yes.
So, yung mga competitors mo, marunong.
Mhm.
They're using all of these tools, no?
Correct.
Sila, alam nila yung effect.
Yes.
They become more and more efficient. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka
Correct.
lalaban, ano?
Tama
Diba?
po.
You have a good product, pinagbutihan mo yung product mo, you have a good offer, alam mo na magma-market yung product mo, pero wala kang tools.
Yeah.
Paano?
Mahirap i-scale yun.
Mahirap
Opo.
i-scale yun. Oo.
Yeah.
Napakalaking tulong yan, ano?
Mm.
Eric,
Yes.
I'm interested, no? Nakarating ka sa ganyang point na you're helping a lot of businesses scale, you're
Mhm.
helping a lot of businesses to become more and more efficient,
Yes.
especially now that this is the technological age, papunta na nga tayong AI. And I guess ikaw yung dapat consult doon, ano? Sa AI, ano? Ibang usapan naman yun, ano? Kasi yan yung what opportunities can we see
Yes.
now that we are heading towards that, no?
Correct.
Pero interested ako, saan ka nagsimula? Are you a genius? Whatever.
Okay. So, yung IT journey ko po, nagsimula second year high school. Nung time na yon, yung mom ko kasi, gusto niya, kung ano yung hobby ko, or kung ano yung, kumbaga, gusto ko, kumbaga, gagatungan niya yon para mas ma-enhance or ma-develop. So, nung second year high school, binili niya ako nung unang-una kong computer. So, pinag-aralan ko yung computer. Tapos, bumili kami ng mga textbooks kasi wala pang internet nung time na yon. Mga 1993 yon, mga ganon. And then, pinag-aralan ko yung WordStar pa nung time na yun. Wala pang MS Word.
Yeah.
Lotus 1, 2, 3, yung mga ganon pa
Oo,
yung time
oo.
na yun. Disket pa siya. So, talagang nagustuhan ko siya, and umabot sa point na nung summer nung fourth year high school ako na yung nagtuturo sa isang school, computer
Wow.
school. Nag-tutor ako
High school ka
pag
nun,
summer. Opo, fourth year high school.
Uh-huh.
So, yun talaga yung naging gusto ko. So, pagdating ng college, nag-aral ako sa Lasal ng computer engineering naman. Kasi in terms of software, medyo gamay ko na pag-aralan siya at i-apply. Ang hindi ko pa na-explore is yung hardware part, which is yun, computer engineering. So, yung pinag-aralan ko sa Lasal, and then after sa Lasal naman, naging consultant ako sa Unisys, isang multinational company.
Wow.
Sila yung nag-automate ng LTO, ng LRA. So, ako naman, ang role ko doon, ako yung gumagawa ng mga ginagamit nilang pang-demo sa mga bangko, yung
Oo.
tellering system.
Yeah.
Kasi dati, yung sa tellers, ang ginagamit nila is yung parang text-based lang na system, yung solution ni Unisys is web-based na.
I see.
And yun yung parang first na web-based na tellering system. And
Wow.
ako yung parang na-assign doon na ako yung magde-demo sa mga bangko, tapos sa India, pumunta rin ako ng India para gawin yon. And then 1 year lang ako doon, tapos may na-meet akong startup na meron siyang parang e-commerce platform for cooperatives. And then, ang pangalan niya is b2bpricenow.com. And yung target niya is to provide the farmers with updated prices. Yung mga cooperatives ng updated prices para medyo ma-shorten yung gap between the farm price and the consumer price para matulungan sila. And then, after that, na-start yung itong Infotex na business. 2001 siya nag-start. Meron akong teacher dati nung college sa Lasal na naging supplier ng mga telco, ng mga devices. Tapos pinahiram niya sa akin yung device nila and nagawan ko siya ng software. And dahil dun sa match na yon, software and yung device nila, yun, parang pancake na nabenta lahat ng mga devices nila. And dun siya nagsimula na lumaki. Na nakita ng mga companies na we are the texting capital of the world, pero most of it is person-to-person texting. Wala pa nakaisip na business can also tap yung text messaging na yon to communicate with their customers.
Grabe.
So, nung time na yon, kami yung nagpo-provide. So, more than 90% ng market is using our Infotex
Ang
solution.
galing, ano?
Yeah.
Kasi nakikita ko yung evolution mo, no? From
Yeah.
second year high school, no?
Yeah, apo.
And I think every one of us has something to offer this world, no? May
Mm.
talent, may gifting. Ikaw na-discover mo eh.
Yes.
Second year pa lang eh.
Second
di
year
ba?
pa lang.
Naging
Opo.
interested ka in a space which is slowly evolving
Yes.
into something that is so big now.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Tama-tama ka doon, ano?
Tama-tama.
And I believe na kung ginusto mo na maghabol lang ng pera, nagtayo ka ng malaking business na hindi naman para sa'yo, no?
Mhm.
There's a difference, no?
Correct.
There's really no formula for success or prosperity eh.
Mhm.
I believe that each and every person has something in him na pagka ginamit niya, he will evolve into kagaya ng narating mo.
Yeah.
I believe you are the best in that field where you are in right now.
Thank you, Lord.
You're one of the best. And it is God who placed you there.
Yes. Amen.
Hindi mo naman kasi pinlano, but at least sumunod ka
Agree.
doon sa gusto mo,
Mhm.
sa passion mo, sinunod mo, di ba?
Mhm.
And that, I guess, is the key takeaway ko
Mhm.
na ngayon nakakatulong ka sa maraming businesses, no? At masasabi na you're far ahead of the others in understanding this kind of technology na nakakatulong ka sa
Yes.
iba, no? And you went through a lot, I believe, no? Ano yung
Mhm.
pinakamalaking challenge mo before we end?
Alam mo, sobrang thankful din ako kay God na hindi kami dumaan ng mga malalaking challenges. Sabi nila, learn from your mistakes. Ang nangyari po sa end namin is we learn from other people's mistakes, which is
Yun.
better. So, meron akong nabasa before, yung, I believe, Go Negosyo na book of 50 entrepreneurs, parang ganon. And lahat sila, meron silang mga challenges, may mga mistakes sila. So, nung nabasa ko yun, sabi ko, okay, so ito yung mistake na kailangan kong iwasan, wag ko gagawin. So, yung mga ganon. So, and also, of course, yung prayer life, no, na every decision, you have to have God involved in it
Correct.
para pag na-bless tayo, He adds no trouble to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ang galing, ano? I believe that na it is God who brings you to your destiny, to your purpose, where you will be good at, and where your passion is,
Yes.
and very important, where you're making money. Di ba?
Yes, yes.
Sustainability.
Correct.
Di ba? And this is what we teach. There's really no formula for
Mhm.
success. In Kapayaman, we teach that. Kapayaman VIP. We believe that each and every person can
Mhm.
live an abundant life. Nasabi mo yung God, no?
Mhm.
And this is what Jesus said, di ba? Alam naman natin, I came that you might have life and life
More abundantly. Yes.
So, ma-discover lang natin yan.
Mhm.
Yung life in abundance na binibigay ni
Correct.
Jesus sa atin, no? So, thank you very much, Eric. This is a
Thank
very
you.
precious moment, no, na interview kita.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you rin
Maraming
po.
salamat.
Thank you.
So, thank you very much, Eric. Alam mo yung mga sinabi mo, yung kwento mo, yung journey mo as an entrepreneur. Actually, I'd like to recommend this book that I wrote.
Mm.
It's Freedom to Create Wealth,
Mhm.
no? Kasi yung journey mo, it's actually standing on the foundation that we have an identity in
Mhm.
Christ. And if you start from there, kahit na ang liit lang nung hawak mo, which we did, no?
Yes.
Second year high school,
Yes.
ang liit pero lumaki
Yes.
into what it is now. So doon tayo magsisimula. If you are faithful in small things, God will give you bigger things. And this is what we want to teach, no, in
Mhm.
my book. Na kahit napakaliit ng hawak mo.
Mhm.
Kasi yung ability galing kay Lord, di ba?
Correct. Correct.
Pagka nag-umpisa ka doon, God's going to back you up because He was the one who gave you the ability, di ba?
Correct.
Ability to create wealth. And I believe that you are in the right track.
Mhm.
There's gonna be more
More.
that you
Thank
will
you, Lord.
discover
Yes.
about the market and also about yourself. That the
Mhm.
ability that God gave you to create wealth is actually
Mhm.
unlimited because
Mhm.
it was given to you for God's purpose. So it's time for you to say something about your business.
Okay.
Can you invite our audience to take a look
Yes.
at your business?
Sure, sige po. So, sa mga audience natin, if you have a business and you need help no in terms of automation, mga solutions, web applications, kahit sobrang unique niyan, actually doon kami nagfa-fly doon sa mga unique requirements. You can go to our website at myinfotex.com or search Infotex sa Facebook and just message us there and we'll start maybe exploring no ano yung mga pwede nating gawin at paano namin kayo matutulungan. Also, meron din tayong podcast sa Better Than Good or BTG na Ask Kuya E. So make sure na you also tune into that program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Eric. Hello there. I'm Bonnie De Jesus. I wrote a book entitled Freedom to Create Wealth. Alam nyo ba, marami sa atin gustong mag-create ng wealth or gusto nating makaahon sa kahirapan or ma-assure natin na hindi tayo maghihirap. Alam mo ba na ang kinakailangan nating gawin ay malaman muna natin kung ano yung ating mga limiting belief or ano yung mga nag-i-imprison sa atin na mga pag-iisip, mga bagay-bagay nasa isipan natin. Ang circumstance natin hindi magbabago hanggat hindi nagbabago ang ating pag-iisip. Kaya sinulat ko itong libro ito. Marami kasi sa atin nakatali pa doon sa swertihan ang negosyo. Nakatali pa doon sa big time. Nakatali pa doon sa parabang ang kinakailangan, pinakamahalaga sa atin ay pera. Kaya hindi tayo makapag-umpisa ng negosyo. Hindi tayo makapag-umpisa ng maliit. Gusto natin big time kaagad. Yan yung tinatakal natin sa aklat na ito. Kasi ang pinakamahalaga ay makilala muna natin ang ating sarili na meron tayong katangi-tanging abilidad na binigay ng Panginoon sa atin. At kung madidiscover natin yon at makikita natin kung bakit binigay sa atin ng Panginoon yon, yung purpose natin para doon, at makikita doon sa galing natin na lalong nag-i-improve habang ginagamit natin, makikita natin na yung palang ating mga paniniwala ay mali. Marami tayong paniniwala na mali. Pwede tayong umusad, pwede tayong umunlad, pwede tayong mag-prosper. Maniwala tayo na meron tayong ganong katangian. The story we share reminds us that success doesn't start with comfort. It starts with courage, faith, and obedience. If this episode inspired you, don't forget to share it with someone who needs encouragement today. Ako si Bonnie, and this is Kapayaman Story.